It seems like these days we're hearing more and more about these train derailments, whether it be Amtrak or a local MTA train, and it's a really horrific experience. If you're the unfortunate passenger on one of these commuter trains that derails and has a catastrophic event, you have absolute rights that need to be protected. The first thing you must do is contact an attorney who will have the ability to get on an initial investigation. You need to speak to the government officials. You need to speak with the men and women who arrive on the scene to document precisely why the train derailed. You need access to the government's investigation and findings as to whether or not it was motorman fault. Was there a systemic problem with the way the train was being operated? Ultimately, as a passenger on a train, you have every right to expect that you will be transported from point A to point B with absolute safety. And as a person with absolutely no control over what's going on, you have an absolute right to be compensated for your personal injuries, your wage loss, your medical expenses. The most important thing, obviously, after you take care of your medical needs is speak to an experienced personal injury attorney who can deal with the right experts, who has access to the correct government officials, and protect your rights early on, because there are a host of procedural issues you need to deal with early on when you're dealing with these government or quasi-government agencies that run the train systems. So please, if you're in that unfortunate circumstance, call an expert attorney early on, get the investigation done, and proceed from there.